welcome back to my channel.
Loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty.
And as you tell by the title and the thumbnail. Well, let me run it back. If you're new to my channel, you don't know who I am. Hey, it's Princess Naya, aka Shania. And if you tell by the title and the thumbnail, today I'm going to be doing, well, it's going to be a couple videos in one. This is the part one of me. I'm going to be coloring. I'm going to be toning and dyeing this blonde wig into this like stormy gray color. But this is a 13 by 6 wig. Yeah, look how much space this is right here, y'all. If I want to do a side part, definitely can. So they was lying. I ordered this wig from Amazon, but I think they was lying. This wig is definitely not true to length. This wig is supposed to be 26 inches, y'all. Don't play with me. But it's okay. I'm gonna make it work or whatever. And you know when people do the gray wigs, like it be coming out like this like purplish grayish color, bluish color. We don't get this right. So while I keep watching this video if you want to see how this wig come out. But as y'all tell by the thumbnail, it came out the color y'all wanted. That's why y'all clicked on this video. I know. But yeah, so yeah, we're about to start dyeing this wig. But make sure you follow all my social medias, follow my dump page and my regular Instagram, and follow my TikTok. But you know, without further ado, let's just get straight into this video. Okay, y'all, so right now I got the water running, but I'm also going to be filming on my phone. Hold on. So the time right now is 12:10, and I got work at 4 o'clock, y'all. So we're going to try and dye and install and create this content at the same time, all before 4 o'clock. You think I can do it? I think I can do it. I got 2 platinum Adore dyes, and then I got titanium dye. And then I just got the little purple shampoos because I was being a little cheap and I didn't really need the big bottle because I already had, before I bought the big bottle, when I did my old gray wig, and I didn't even use the rest. So let me just get these little ones. But, so this is everything that you need. Well, not you need, I need, but if you want to, if you dye anyway too, yeah. So this is the purple shampoo. And I got this titanium. It's gonna make it a little lighter because just in case if it did become the little purple blue color that I do not want, then you know we're gonna get it right. Alright, so yeah, what the girl did, she was saying like use little by little. So okay, so before I start doing the pouring it in, I want y'all to know before y'all start to pour the purple shampoo into it, a little goes a long way. Like you do not need too much because if you use too much, I think it's gonna damage the hair. And if you want to reinstall the wig or whatever, the hair quality is not gonna be that good if you use a lot of it because it kind of makes it like, I don't know how to describe the hair texture, but it gets really bad. Like it gets really knotted up real bad, especially if you don't take care of it. Purple shampoo, it use a little bit. Do not put too much. Like do not just dump the whole bottle. First don't do it because it gets real bad. Like for real. My last wig, I'm telling you off of experience. Like I'm speaking off experience. My last wig, it hit different for real. But yeah. Okay, y'all, so I'm using these 2 dyes, and I'm going to throw the titanium in if I feel like it's getting too dark. So, as you can see in the process, all I was doing was doing little by little, like literally little by little, and just mixing it and dipping it back and forth. I was repeating this step because you have to do little by little so you do not end up with that purple, bluish, grayish color. Like we looking for storm gray, okay? So we just gonna keep doing little by little. And as well, another thing that I learning while dyeing hair, make sure like the container or like sink or bucket or whatever you're dyeing your hair in is big enough and there's a lot of water, so like you know all the color dye goes around the whole wig, not just one spot. Like mistakes I used to do before was like use a smaller bucket, and I will use a smaller bucket, and like the top will be one color and the bottom will be another color. No, you have to have a large container or whatever you're like dyeing your wig in. You're gonna have to have a larger container so the water goes everywhere around the hair. Like, you see how every time I dip, everything is the same color? Like, it's not one color, one half, one light, one dark. Everything is the same color. So make sure you got a lot of water and you got that big container. So, yeah. We need more gray. Little by little, y'all gonna go crazy. Mind y'all, if y'all see how I'm just like letting it like marinate in the water for a little bit, and then I'm taking it out and mixing it, putting the dye in, putting it back in, letting it marinate, taking it out, dragging my hands through it. So I'm not playing with this wig, y'all. This wig was gonna be my color because my sweet 16 birthday wig, I was going for gray and it became purple, blue, turk. It was just everything, silver. It was just not giving. Okay, so yeah, I did that, and I also started taking the brush and started brushing through it, just so like, you know, all the color goes through or whatever. So yeah, I'm just the moral of the moral of this is just keep doing little by little. Don't stop until one, cause you know when you do little by little, you gonna see the progress of the color that you want. So just do little by little, and you gonna get it there. You see, it's giving. It's starting to give storm gray. Don't play with it. Yeah, don't play with it, y'all. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it, y'all. Wait till the end to see the finished results. But yeah, I did that. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to do the side part, middle part, but we'll figure it out later in life. It's definitely giving. I feel like I'm going to go 1 more mile. I'm not going to go too crazy because, you know, I don't want it to be that dark. But, I mean, I don't want it to be purple, but we're going to go 1 more dip. Just 1 more. And then, and I was afraid that I added too much dye, so I just turned the water on just so, like, you know, it didn't get into that. So if you feel like you added too much dye or you dipped your hair in without mixing it enough, just add some more water, because it's gonna make it all blend out. And you see how, like, yeah, just listen to these steps and y'all gonna get that gray stone color that y'all want. Oh, this is the color, y'all. It's giving. It's definitely giving. It's definitely giving. We don't need no more dips. It's definitely giving, I feel like. Let me go look at the give. I'm gonna let it sit just for a little bit longer, but this giving. It's giving. See if we can collect more, a little bit more. But this is giving. It's giving, y'all. I did this. My last gray wig I had, y'all. Hold on. Yeah, my last gray wig I had, I kid y'all not, it was like, let me see if I can pull up a picture. It was my sweet 16 birthday. I dyed it myself, and it was not giving, like, it looked more blue than the color that I was actually going for, which is, this is really good then, because, look y'all, this is what it was. If it's gonna play. Don't mind. Oh, that's ugly. I'm gonna show y'all something else, because this is really ugly. But yeah, y'all see it was definitely more of a, wait, let me not write this down. It was definitely more of a purplish color. This is really gray. Like, this, they about to get me right with this. Y'all not ready for this one. Yeah. Okay, period. No blue either. Like, I did this, y'all, for real. See, that's when y'all dye a wig, just apply little by little, because then y'all get the color that y'all want. Because I did this. I like this, period. I was really scared it was not going to be gray, but it's gray. I did it, period, on y'all hoes. Not y'all hoes, but I did. Gray, and I'm gonna show y'all when I blow dry it. Oh, this is cute. Hold on. This is how many cane has, and y'all eat this up. I did, so it's not even blue. Like, it's eating. It's giving.
Can you beat the shot?